what's going on? Special Assault and a Submission here, back in Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition. Well, we're right here, so might as well do cop job. Wait, this isn't the cop place, though. Hello? There we go.
Heavy gunfire reported. All PTU, please respawn.
PTU on the way.
Thank God you're here! Nobody back down! Come on! He's making a run. Get back. You haven't gotten me yet! You never will! Don't around here.
That it? No? There's more down here. What? You want, punk? Ow. Are you guys gonna take care of that one?
That was not what I expected starting my patrol. Thanks for your help.
Well, that was easy. That would be so fun if you knew like karate and stuff. Just to go in and beat up a bunch of goons. Oh, we have a police department motorcycle now. Woo! Sweetness. Hello?
I work for Tryin at the chop shop. We noticed you still don't have your own ride. Come by any time if you want to buy a car.
Oh yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry. We'll give you a good deal. Send on ye never pay full price.
Oh. Well, that's a reason to get our face up. You guys want some? Ow! Tubby just came right out the door. Jesus. Nope. Get out of here. Nope. I hate when I hit the button and it's like, nope. We got almost $80,000 though. That's pretty hype. Alright. Chain of evidence. I guess we will do this. Hey. Give me your van. That guy got wrecked. Those people don't know what to think of it. It's pretty great.
You okay?
No, I'm in big trouble. I really need your help, please.
What's wrong?
It's this.
A gun.
Yes. Charlie made me carry it in my purse for him. He didn't want the cops to find it, so he made me take it. And now he's gone, and I don't know what to do with it.
Charlie. He's one of Dog Eye's people, right?
Yes, and you took over, right? So in a way, the gun is yours too. You'll take it, won't you?
Sure, I'll take it. That's it? That's your big problem.
Yes, thank you so much, Wei. I knew I was right to trust you.
Don't worry, Tiffany. I'll take care of it.
Thanks, Wei. You're the greatest.
A gun. Flipping out about a gun. Why do I have to call this douchebag?
Raymond, I got something.
What is it?
Something for ballistics. A weapon belonging to one of Dog Eye's men. Do you know Charlie Pang?
Wait, how did you get Charlie Pang's gun?
Never mind. Can you use it?
Alright, meet me. I'm on my way.
Where are we meeting? Just kick her right in the mouth. Just right in the mush. Gotta love it. Oh, gotta love it. I don't know why I'm running. Get off your phone. Alright, here's the car. This is my car now. Ching! I know, thanks. Oh! I did not mean to get out of my vehicle. I was trying to hit the horn button, but I hit the vehicle button instead, and my dude's just like, woo! Well, sometimes stuff don't work out like you want it to work out. Just, yeah. I don't know what car is this, but it has some get up. Oh, sorry. Right over here. Hello.
What are you doing here? Where's Raymond?
This is something I wanted to handle personally, Wei. Do you have Charlie Pang's gun?
Yeah.
I'm sure you've noticed that guns are something of a rarity in Hong Kong. Not like in the States. This particular gun is quite important.
So who's the dead guy?
I was hoping you'd help me with that, actually. Officer Shen, take up a firing position.
Oh.
Okay, you ready? All right, listen. It's simple. We'll have to recreate the fight.
You think you can rip me off?
What?
Let's just talk about this. Fuck you. Let's go. Damn it.
First, he was in cover behind the barricade. Get down behind that barrier. Good. I want you to put some bullets in a few things. All right, good. By now, the van must have appeared on the scene.
Oi! That guy's stuck on the door. Oh, there we go.
Then he must have run through over there,
Wait, where did I run? Oh, over here.
shooting at the guys over there. There was a shooter, firing shots from the passenger window. But he couldn't get a clean shot, so he pushed forward. Keep going, come on. One more thing. He would have tried to get away, but Charlie disabled the car. Your weapon, officer. Good firing, Wei.
Penju! What are you doing?
I told you he wasn't important. Now he is. He's going to help us nail Charlie Pang. It's for the greater good, Wei. You understand?
I don't think I do, sir.
Wei, I know who you are. You're just like me. You do what must be done. Local PD is on their way. You should go.
Oh, that was interesting. Ow. Okay, what can I do for the coppers? What's this? Action hijack, reduce heat. I haven't faced any gun-wielding opponents. How do I even do this? Oh god, nope. What does it mean by aiming though? Like what, how can I aim at something? Or maybe I need a gun for that. I'm out of here. See ya. Whoosh. Oh god, barrels. Whoosh. Nailed it. A Mrs. Chu's restaurant got hit. Nope. I hit that too many times. Oh. Wait, why can I not put my phone down? Oh, there we go. Use a tiff on hot shots where a bar park truck nearby so you can... Go to the street construction. Ow. Okay. Let's try this mission. And then we will see where it goes. I wonder, can I do a wheelie? Just... I feel like I can, but I just don't know how. Whoosh. Ow. That's it? Oh, come on. That was barely any property damage. This van moves slow as hell. I don't like it. I hate moving slow. So, I don't know what we have to do here. I don't remember what I'd done in the first part of it. Was that when we had the chicken truck? I don't know.
You can't be serious. Are you trying to insult me? That car is crap.
Let me fix my car up. Then I'll take you. Easy.
Fine. It's your funeral.
And a bug under Hotshot's car.
Not much. You? How's your dad?
How? Why would you do this when he's standing right there?
I told you. I got something to take care of first, all right? You coming out soon?
Run!
I'll tell you about it later.
That is a kind of nice car, though. Oh god, nope, 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 nope.
Shit. Nas.
Wait, what? I can't look.
How's the race circuit, huh? I still own it. Hey, you know this guy Wei Shin? Supposed to be Sun On Yi. Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind. Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat? Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away? Sun On Yi's in trouble if he is. I'm 18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let him see you do anything and walk away. This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place. Yeah? Why? Punk by the name of Ace. Talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race. No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out? Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down? What? Don't worry. He races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces. Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Well then. Let's see what Tang has to say about that.
Yes.
Inspector, it's Wei. Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where and when?
Not yet. Hey, one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Nas suspect I'm a cop.
Naz Singh, the drug smuggler?
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
Fucking guy is playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No, I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Nas myself.
All right, Wei, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
Huh. Are we gonna end up ratting him out to Sun On Yi? Be like, hey, this guy's bad. Try and cover it ourselves? I don't know, maybe I'm looking too far into it. Maybe I am correct, I don't know. Very confuzzling though. Is that it? Yay! Why do the cops never have any good vehicles? Alright. Once this thing goes away, I am going to go do... Alright, so there was this. Let's try and get some vehicles. We need a better vehicle. Regardless. No matter what, we need a better vehicle. It's just how it is. And then once we get ourselves a better vehicle, it will be the end of this episode. I'm trying to keep them shorter so people... So, yeah, it's just... better for people, I guess. Hello.
Take a look at what I have.
Oh, phase 2 required. Darn it. Ooh.
I drive that any day. Those are some nice wheels.
I want that. Phase 2 required. So we need to do a bit more face things. And also need to get money.
These cars are clean, baby. Totally clean.
Ow. Don't be screwing me on this. Got it? Try it one more time. Try it. Stay down. No. Alright, let's do a couple missions for this. And then we will get ourselves a better vehicle. Because we are pretty close there. We're halfway to leveling up our face already. So, why not?
So, how's business?
Not very good. Sales are way down. My shirts are just too boring. Hey, could you help me get some new designs? I want to do a landscape series. Really capture what's cool about the city.
Yeah, sure.
Get me a couple of classic shots. Email them over when you have them.
Got it.
Alright, to the temple. I am taking a motorcycle because the other ones are stupid. Okie dokie. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to level this up. And once we do level it up, we should have enough money. It was like 85, I think. I'm here. Okay, we at the temple. That looks really cool. And now I'm going to take this. Highway seawall. SeaWorld! No, that's not the same thing? Oh. Oh, my bad. Okay. Get back on the bike.
Oh, okay.
I have a hard time making up my mind.
How many places do I need to go? I don't know, but we're gonna do it because we need our own vehicle. Like they said, what's the point in being a big gang person if you don't have your own vehicle? As nice as a motorcycle is, it kind of sucks. Jeez, why are you having me go to the other side of the world for the stupid pictures? The things I do for stuff. I'm telling you. Are we capturing a sunrise?
Ah, finally.
That's so corny.
Hey, yeah, you. Hey, get the hell out of the way.
Sorry, I just can't resist the camera.
That's it, asshole.
Frick. That worked? Alright, good. Level me up. Yeah, baby! How much money do we have now? Does this tell us? I'd like to know how much money I have. Because I think I need more. Oh god. Well, I don't think we're going to be able to get the car right now. We don't have enough money. So, that'll do it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, show the love down below. It would be very much appreciated. Over drop the like button, roundhouse subscribe button, become a specialist yourself. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now.